everyone, welcome back to an all-new Tech Tip Tuesday. And on this video, we're going to go over how to use Google Sites. Let's check it out. To locate Google Sites, click on the Google Apps icon on the top right of your Gmail and click on Sites. In the top left, click on the plus sign to create a blank page. You can also choose from any of the templates shown at the top. To name or rename your website from the main landing page, double-click on the title of the site in the top left. To save these changes, click on the Publish button on the top right. To add content, from the main landing page, choose Pages on the right-hand menu. Click on the plus at the bottom of the menu and select New Page. Enter in the title for your page and select Done. Then you can publish the page. To delete a page from your site, from the menu on the right-hand side, choose the Pages section. Find the page you want to delete and select the 3 stacked dots menu for it. Select Delete and click Publish. To copy a page from your site, from the menu on the right-hand side, choose the Pages section, which we're already on. Find the page you want to copy and select the 3 stacked dots menu for it. Select Duplicate and click Publish. If you need to copy a full website, we can do that too. Note that if your site is very large, you may receive an error stating that you cannot copy it. From the main landing page, click on the 3 stacked dots menu in the top right corner, next to the Publish button. Select Make a Copy. Under File Name, type the name you'd like to give the copy of your website. Then click OK. You should receive an email once the copy is complete and can confirm it was successful on the main dashboard where all of your sites are shown. You can also find a copy of your site in your recent sites. Let's create a subpage. A subpage is a page on your website which is only accessible through a main page, much like how you can only get to certain files on your computer by going through a specific folder. This is a great way to categorize similar items. Keep photos of animals under the Photos page, for example. You can have a total of 5 levels of subpages. From the main landing page, click Pages from the menu on the top right-hand side. Choose the page that you would like to make a subpage for and click the 3 stacked dots menu. Select Add Subpage and choose a title for it. Then click Done once you've set your title. You should see your new subpage appear under its page. You can now access it by mousing over the name of the main page and choosing your subpage. Click Publish in the top right to save your changes. Let's say that you'd rather your subpage be its own page instead, or you just don't like the way that the menu along the top has organized your pages. Don't worry, you can always reorganize by dragging and dropping where you'd rather them be. Then, click Publish at the top right of the page to your icon. Adding text to your site can be useful to let folks know why they're there in the first place. From the main landing page, choose the text box option in the Insert menu on the right. Add in your text. Then click Publish. Now let's learn how to add images. From the main landing page, choose the Images icon in the Insert menu on the right-hand side. If you have a picture that you'd like to upload to your Google site, choose Upload. This will open up a file window to upload a saved picture that is on your computer. Then click Open. Once you have your image on there, click on Publish. Adding a button is a great tool if you'd like to link to a specific page on your site. Clicking it will take you directly there. From the main landing page, choose Button from the Insert menu on the right-hand side. Type in your button's name. Choose the page you'd like to link to. If you'd prefer to link to an external site, you can type in the URL here. Then click Insert. You can now reposition your button as needed and change its formatting by clicking on it. You can directly embed your docs, sheets, slides, and so much more on your site. Instructions are the same for all of these. Below we have an example of Google Slides, which has a few more options. From the main landing page, scroll down to the Insert menu on the right-hand side till you see Slides. Choose Slides from the menu and pick which one you'd like to embed. These options are pulled directly from Google Drive. If you don't see the slide you want to show off on your site, double-check that it is in your Google Drive. To publish these changes, click Publish at the top right of the page next to your icon. And that's it! Let's try changing your theme. If the default theme is just not doing it for you, you can always switch it up with any of the built-in themes that Google Sites has. From the main landing page, choose the Themes menu on the right-hand side. You can change the accent color by picking any of the colors below your theme name or the paint bucket to choose a custom color. You can switch themes completely by clicking on any other theme name. To publish these changes, click Publish at the top right of the page next to your icon. Now let's preview our site. So you're done building your site but are curious what it looks like on a phone, tablet, or just in a browser. From the main landing page, choose the Preview button along the top menu. It looks like this icon. The default view will be of a browser on your computer. You can switch between a phone or tablet as well from the controls on the bottom right. When you're ready and satisfied with how your site looks, or just want to save it after making some changes, go ahead and publish it. Let's say you're just done with your website and want to get rid of it. No problem. Go to your site's dashboard by clicking the Sites icon in the top left. Click the 3 stacked dots menu next to your site's name and choose Remove. Now your site is deleted. If you deleted the wrong site, no problem, you can get it back. Just head over to your Google Drive. Click on the trash icon. Select the site that you'd like to restore and click the Restore icon in the top right. Then head over back to sites.google.com to confirm it was successful. And there it is. And that's all there is to it. Alright, I hope those tips and tricks were helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and we'll catch you next week on an all-new Tech Tip Tuesday. Have a good one!